Hello, good evening, friends. I am Rahul Kumar Singh, the Chief Coordinator, Let's Inspire Bihar campaign. Bihar is our motherland, our home. Therefore, it's the responsibility of every Bihari to purify the atmosphere of Bihar. With a large number of youth, our state is young, and IPS Vikas Beboji is working hard to guide them in the right direction. My life is dedicated to Bihar, and every moment of mine is devoted to education, equality, and entrepreneurship development in Bihar. Vikas Beboji's statement touches the heart and inspires me to do something better for Bihar. His words have a profound impact, motivating individuals to work towards the state's progress. His dedication to Bihar's development and the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign is truly commendable. The, the campaign's initiatives such as education, entrepreneurship, and healthcare are making positive differences in the lives of many. Because Bevauji leadership and vision are inspiring a new generation of Biharis to take ownership of their state's development. His efforts are a testament to the power of individual initiative and collective action in driving positive change. I am requesting all of you, let's join hands with Vikas Beboji and the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign to build a brighter future for Bihar. Let's join hands and inspire Bihar to reach new heights by 2047. Let's make Bihar the crown of India. This is a question in everyone's mind. Why join the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign? The real fact is in front of you. Bihar has approximately 9 crore youth under the age of 30, which an invaluable treasure. Unfortunately, these youth are being misled by narrow-minded politics and communalism. IPS Vikas Baboji has taken the initiative to awaken these youth and unite them for the development of Bihar. Let's Inspire Bihar campaign has conducted 250 free medical camps treating approximately 60,000 patients. Thousands of startups in Bihar are inspired by IPS Vikas Behoji engaging in self-employment. IPS Vikas Beho's goal is to establish at least 5 new startups in every panchayat of Bihar by 2028, empowering Biharis to become entrepreneurs and job creators rather than job seekers. Through Gargi Pathshala, free education is being provided to poor children at 8 locations in Patna district and 22 locations in 14 districts of Bihar. This initiative has boosted the confidence of thousands of children under the Shiksha Dan program. Many teachers across Bihar are providing free education to underprivileged youth, setting commendable example. Dr. Rajneesh Barmaji Ideal 40 initiative in Siwan district is a notable example of this effort. Connected with Biharis living outside Bihar and abroad, inspiring them to contribute to the state's development. Successfully organized various programs, including medical camps, educational initiatives, and entrepreneurship development programs. Many people have asked me about IPS Vikas Bevoji, who he is, and what contribution he is making to our state of Bihar. Today, I will briefly discuss discuss his biography and work. Vikas Behoji, an IPS officer who has dedicated his life to serving Bihar. He is known for his exceptional leadership, bravery, and commitment to public service. Some of his notable contributions included leading successful operations against ex- extremism and crime in Bihar, implementing innovative initiatives for police reform and community engagement, promoting education, entrepreneurship, and healthcare through the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign. Through his work, Vikas Babuji has inspired many young Biharis to take ownership of their state's development and work towards creating a brighter future. Let's explore more about his remarkable journey and impact he is making in Bihar. IPS Vikas Babuji, popularly known as Cop Guru among youth and Cop photographer among journalists, hails from Bihar in Begusarai. He secured admissions to IIT Kanpur in 1947 and completed his mechanical engineering in 2001. Despite receiving job offers from top institutions, Vikas Babu chose to pursue civil services and cleared the prestigious exam in 2003. Joined IPS through sheer hard work and determination, demonstrated exceptional bravery and leadership in various roles, including saving lives and restoring peace in Bihar. As SP of Bagha in 2008, he successfully eliminated decades and freed the area from the terror of kidnapping. The people of Bagha honored him by naming a street and intersection after him. In 2009, he led the Operation Vidwans to liberate Rohtasgarh fort from Maoists, displaying exceptional bravery. For the first time on January 26, 2009, displaying exceptional courage, IPS Vikas Babu hosted the Indian flag on Rohtasgarh fort and freed the tribals from Maoists, making them experience the freedom of independent India. Vikas Babuji played a crucial role in catching terrorist Yasin Bhatkal involved in the Bodh Gaya blast in 2013. He served as SSP of Patna, DIG of Bhagalpur and Munger, and DIG of ATS in Patna. Currently, he is advisor cum IG in Bihar State Planning Board and inspiring Bihar's youth to contribute to nation building through the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign. His honesty and dedication have earned him immense popularity, and people often protest when he is transferred, showing their love and appreciation for his work. Vikas Babu was awarded the prestigious Satyendra Dubey Award in 22nd November 2019 at IIT Kanpur for his remarkable services. Let's join hands with IPS Vikas Babu ji and the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign to build a prosperous and developed Bihar. Join the movement and together let's make Bihar the crown of India by 2047. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar. Let's inspire Bihar together with IPS Vikas Babu ji.